In our last episode, we took the sails off the boat and prepared it for Hurricane Ian's arrival. We tried to remove as much windage as we could, securing all the halyards and tying everything up tight, taking off the bimini top and the Dodger. We knew the water levels would be abnormal, but all we could do is come back and check on the boat every 6 or 8 hours. We left a trail cam to record the action. We also had to put our hurricane shutters up at our home and secure our property. And then we recorded this beautiful sunset at the marina and hoped for the best. As the storm approached, we started getting warnings on our phones. In the beginning, the storm was going to go a little north of us or hit us square on, and that was going to cause a storm surge that could possibly be 10 to 15 feet above normal level. That would be catastrophic for us. And I'm not used to seeing this on sail flow, but check this out. 75 to 95 knots with gusts of 120, seas 13 to 18 feet. And then came evacuation notices. Thank God we're not in one of those. But it just kept looking really bad. We had our hurricane shutters up and all we could do was hunker down. But we got to keep checking on the boat, and as the water's being sucked out, more and more of the sea floor is being exposed, and we knew we'd have to go adjust the lines on the sailboat. Closed roads down there. Let's take some back roads. Oh, look at that boat just sitting on the ground right there in front of that person's house. Wow. We really got the water sucked out. We're gonna go check the boat again. I have a feeling it's gonna be just sitting on the keel though. By the looks of this, I've never seen this ever around here.
Well, we have the opposite of storm surge right now. Our water is storm suck. I think it's called receding water.
Wow, look at that old Florida house right there, how big it is. How cool is that? Look at that. That thing's probably been here since early 1900s.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, right on the water here, like this. We're like four-wheeling back here through this the mud puddles and dirt roads.
It's your dream come true.
Oh, look at that boat's on the ground too. Wow, I've never seen the marina this low before. We're over here at high tide. We waited until high tide to come over to see about if there was any kind of surge, and instead all the water got sucked out and it's super low. Here's where our boat sits during kind of a medium tide. You can see the anchor kind of above the parking lot. Oh my gosh, look at this. Where is our boat? Insane. The water is just being sucked out of here. Holy cow, I can't believe it. That's crazy. Wow. Probably doesn't look as amazing on video, but it's way down there. Here, I'll turn around here and show you. Look at this. Compare it to the other video that I have. Put surge here, and as you can see, another 2.5 feet of water, maybe 2 feet, it'd be at the parking lot. Break that off, you know. So we'll loosen
Oh, I see what you're talking about. Wow.
Loosen down, then we'll come back later.
Okay.
But, so we'll just tighten them again, but that's really close to hanging.
It's still gonna go down like another foot?
Yeah.
That was quite a gust. It almost blew me over. Okay. Oh goodness. That
I can't believe how low it is. Those rear lines were just about to pull tight. So now, as the tide comes back up, it would probably hit that right pylon, so I'll have to come back and reel that line in later. But here's a good example. This boat's hanging on its lines here. Now that's not a 7,000 pound boat, but you don't want to do that. I guess we had the suck out because of the water got sucked out because the wind's blowing out this way. Instead of the hurricane being north of us, it would have come in. So basically we got a low tide. That wasn't there last night when we left here, so that must have dragged over there. Well, we got everything adjusted. Now we'll have to come back tonight when the tide's low again.
Here we are, super windy outside and raining, and there's Jason fixing the lines again. Are you all done?
Yeah. Oh. That's just keeping it a couple inches off that piling now, and if the tide goes up, it should be fine. Pretty miserable out here.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh, it's 5:56, man. I want to be in bed right now. I could be sleeping in, but instead I have to go to the boat and check the lines, probably adjust them. It's like the day after the hurricane, but not really, because it's just over Central Florida right now. We're still seeing 55-mile-an-hour winds at Clearwater Beach. Just a lot of debris everywhere, nothing crazy. Some limbs in the road, parts of trees. I really haven't seen too many people on the road. Probably no one has to work today in this area. It looks like it's a good thing I came over here, because look at our boat smashing up against that piling right there. So I'm going to go fix that, hopefully. Really feel like I need to double up one of my rear lines because it's getting pulled really hard, and it's getting yanked really hard too. Well, I don't really like what I'm seeing out there, but I really can't. It's like 60-mile-an-hour winds here, and I just can't safely get onto the boat again. Still really windy. It's 30 miles an hour right now. 30. You don't want to be sailing in that. Look at that boat bobbing out there. Look, she lives. It's only going to get better from here on out. We're still getting 30 right now over here, but it's only going to get better. So it's kind of like a bunch of seaweed that washed into the marina. But thank God we missed the worst of it. I'm going to get that camera off the mast. Let's go see what the footage from that looks like, if it got anything good.